Greetings, food enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the world of indulgence with a mouth-watering recipe, pan-fried chicken in creamy mushroom sauce. Imagine golden brown chicken fillets draped in a luxuriously creamy mushroom blanket. I'm your quirky quest, and I'm excited to guide you through this delectable culinary journey. Before we embark on this flavor-packed adventure, let's gather our ingredients. To make dry rub: 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1½ teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 500 grams chicken leg, boneless. Oil for frying. To make the mushroom sauce: 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 small chopped onions, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 200 grams sliced mushrooms, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon thyme, 1/4 of a teaspoon smoked paprika, half a teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1½ cup water, 1/2 chicken seasoning cubes, 1/4 cup fresh cream, 1 tablespoon chopped parsley, squeeze of lemon juice. Take all the ingredients for the dry rub in a bowl. Add garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, Kashmiri chili powder, salt and crushed black pepper and mix well. Wash and pat dry the leg boneless chicken and place it on a tray. Rub the dry rub on chicken legs, boneless, on both sides and let this marinate for 15-20 minutes. Then heat some oil in a pan and fry the chicken on high heat till you get charring on both the sides, then remove this and keep aside. Now let's make the sauce. Heat oil and butter in a pan and fry the onions and garlic for 3-4 minutes on medium heat till the garlic softens. Then add the mushrooms, increase the heat top full and stir fry the mushrooms. You want the water from the mushrooms to evaporate immediately and not stay on the pan, so keep the pan hot. Once the mushrooms are cooked and they start to brown, add in some paprika and chili powder, lower the heat and fry the spices for 2 minutes. To the pan add the chicken stock cube and water and then add the fried chicken to this, cover and let it cook for 10-12 minutes. Now add in the fresh cream and mix well. Let this simmer and thicken up a bit for 2-3 minutes. Finish off by garnishing with a sprinkle of fresh parsley and squeeze of lemon. And there you have it. Our pan-fried chicken in creamy mushroom sauce is ready to be served. If you're ready to indulge in a decadent yet simple dish, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious recipes. Enjoy this pan-fried chicken in creamy mushroom sauce, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!